What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the unboxing and review of the Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G. A quick look at the specs. This version I have is 12 gigabits of RAM and 256 GB, 4500 mAh battery with Oppo's own Super VOOC Charge 2.0 65 watts, and the screen refresh with a screen refresh rate of 90 Hz. Alright, so let's go ahead and dig in. Oh, I already removed the seal, so I hope you all still get the satisfaction of, you know, opening a new device. Let's see what we got. They're still going with the silicone clear case, SIM ejector. This color right here is called Starlight Black. Would you look at that? Beautiful, right? Let's see what else we have. We got the Type-C cable, the headset, and the 65 watts plug. 65 watts. That is a lot of power, you know, to be packed in this kind of all right, so this is the bad boy right here, Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G. This is Starlight Black. Looks amazing, right? Nice camera cutout. The quad camera setup, 50 megapixel main. It has 16 MP ultra wide, 13 megapixel telephoto, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. And for the front, it has a 32 megapixel camera. Type-C as usual. There is no headphone jack. Alright, let's go ahead and switch it on and see how it looks. It has a nice display, AMOLED display, Full HD plus. It's 12 gigabits of RAM, 256 GB. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 octa-core processor, Android 11, 5G. Plus, it's easy to hold. It feels good in the hand, easy to hold. It's around 184 grams and slim enough. It's around 7.6 mm. It has a Gorilla Cooling Glass 5 for the front, and I love the finishing at the back. You don't get any fingerprints on it. The camera cutout. I told you about the camera. It has a quad camera setup at the back. 50 MP for the main camera, 16 MP for the wide angle, then 13 MP for the telephoto lens, and 2 megapixel macro camera. That's for the front. It's only 32 megapixel for the front. It has a 4500 mAh battery with a 65 watts Super VOOC Charge 2.0, Type-C, and it doesn't have an headphone jack. It really feels good in the hand, easy to operate with one hand. It's 90 Hz. It has a 90 Hz refresh rate for the display, and depending on the battery you have at that time, you can switch in between the 90 and the 60 Hz. You just have to go to the settings, and yeah, you can switch in here between the 90 and 60 Hz. So this is how the camera looks like for the Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G. Yeah, if you need to get like finer details, you can go up to this to zoom in. Got 5 modes already. Ultra wide. Yeah, I think it's decent enough. And let's look at the portrait.
These are some of the shots that I managed to take with the phone. I can say I'm pretty amazed by the outcome. It maintains the details, the colors come out very well. So for those who are looking for a good camera phone, recording nice videos and taking beautiful photos, I'll definitely recommend this. I must admit, I do like what they did with the back exterior. They gave it some kind of polished crystal finishing that is totally fingerprint resistant. Well, I've been wrapping my fingers around it, but still there is not even a single fingerprint, which is a good thing, because different phone designs are actually ruined by the fingerprints, and they force you into looking for a cover and all that. But with this, I think it's a pretty amazing innovation. With a 90Hz 3D curved screen, you'll get silky smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and instant response to every touch. It has a 92.1% screen to body ratio, HDR10+, Dolby Atmos, which makes it cool for watching movies and videos as well as playing games.
That's pretty much about the Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G. I mean, if you like this video, don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and tell me in the comments sections what you think. It's your boy again. Peace.